Yo, what is good, people? DT back again with another video, and today I'm going to spice things up a bit and I'm going to cook a beat using a Bollywood sample. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Now, the sample that I've chosen for this beat is something like this. So right off the bat, I'm going to set it to its original tempo, which happens to be 120 BPM. And then I'm just going to double click this and Command D to send it to Edison. And then I'm just going to chop off the excess noise. Zoom in a bit. And then just select the noise. Option U to get the noise profile, then select everything and Command U to denoise that. And then I'm just going to do it once again. Then I'm just simply going to drag it to the playlist. And then let's just mute this one and cut it where we want it to start. C to open up your cut tool. Then I'm just going to get rid of this one. And basically this is our sample. And then let's just divide it into 4-bar samples. One is just the chords, and then we have a little counter melody playing on top. And altogether we have an arrangement which sounds like this. Next up, I'm just going to place a pattern region. And let's just make it 4 bars. Open up the channel track and let's start off with the claps. I'm also going to set loop region. Command L to stretch everything. Let's pump up the velocities and then just duplicate this. And let's just add a little variation. Let's move this down the scale. Now I'm thinking about transposing the whole sample. So first of all, I'm just going to set it to stretch, and the root is in C. So let's move 6 semitones up to an F sharp. So I'm just going to bump up the pitch knob to 600 cents, which is 6 semitones. And then let's adjust our 808s accordingly. Now just get rid of the pattern for a moment, split everything by channel, and then we can arrange this. Let me square everything up. And first of all, I'm just going to loop the drums. So select everything and Command B a couple of times to loop this. And then we can cut the melody. Let's put the counter aside for a while. And let's have an intro in here as well. Just a basic intro. Then we can have the counter melody kick in with the rest of the drums. Let's just keep the hats. And then the bass melody again. Get rid of the kicks. Even these. And then the bass again. And then we can just loop this over. And we can also complement this by adding a white noise. Fit that to tempo. Reverse that. And maybe let's just cut the melody at the clap with the white noise. And then let me just go ahead and mix that. Maybe add another effect when the verse kicks in as well. Fit that to tempo. Reverse it, mix it. And then just duplicate this. One final thing, maybe just start the hats and the clap.